Hey guys, what's going on? And you know, in today's busy day and age, it's very hard for business owners to focus on getting leads. So what if I told you there's an awesome way to do it using Google Maps? Let's dive in and check out Lead Sniper.
Alright, so we're going to check out a quick demo of Lead Sniper in action, and we're going to search for bars and pubs in 2 different regions of the UK, so let's go. So you're just going to type in bars and pubs in 2 different regions, and boom, let Google Maps Scraper do the work for Lead Sniper. You're going to get the email, the phone number, the website domain, the physical address, and amazing results here. You could see that it's scraping and it literally takes a few minutes. You can go start supper, do whatever you got to do, and you're going to get so many leads you can download as a CSV or XLSX file, and that's pretty cool. And if you have Google Drive open, you can simply just drag and drop right onto your Google Drive, and that's going to open up the entire list for you, and you're going to get all of these awesome businesses in that specific niche. It's been doing well for me. I really enjoy it, and it's been helping me get great leads for my business. So guys, get Lead Sniper today and rock your business. Alright guys, so as you can see from that demo, Lead Sniper is awesome, but let's talk about what this gets you. So you can get it for $149 for a one-time fee, get it for life, get started free with the free trial, and you get unlimited leads and that free 24-hour chat support should you have any questions or concerns about anything. 12,000 happy customers, great features, seamless, very easy to use, and it will do amazing for your business. Getting that comprehensive data, you can check out how it works there. Great stuff here, so many great features, great. You can check out screenshots there. 60 fields it will scrape for you, simple, affordable pricing. $149 gets you 1 copy, $267 gets you 5 installations, and our best value at $389 gets you 10 installations. You can check out customer testimonials down below. I think this product is absolutely amazing, and customers are very happy with it. I'm one of them. So guys, get Lead Sniper today. Click the link down below and get started for free, and get it for $149 for the one-time fee if you want the full version, and start rocking your business and get those leads. We'll see you in the next video.
Alright, so as you can see, Lead Sniper can take your business to the next level for the one-time fee of $149. You get it for life, or you can do the free trial. So get Lead Sniper today and rock your business using Google Maps.